Hi. Tonight, this is Sally, and tonight I'm going to try something that the lady at the grocery store talked us into. She introduced us to this new wine. Well, I don't think it's real new. 2009, I think they started making wine, but it's called Texas Southwind, and this happens to be a red raspberry. She had us also try the blackberry, which was also delicious. It's a sweet wine. She called it a dessert wine, but she recommended that we put it over ice cream. So I have here some Breyers natural vanilla in my bowl, ready to go. And we are going to try this now and see how it is. Who would have thought to put wine in their ice cream? I wouldn't have thought anybody had, but I looked it up and apparently there's even wine ice cream out there. Okay, that was probably a touch much, but let's give it a shot. Let's try it just as a syrup here. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna give it a shot. Oh my gosh. That is so good. I'm going to have another bite. That is amazing. It's kind of like a dreamsicle, but with raspberry instead of orange. Maybe mix it in a little more. It's very, oh my gosh, it's so good. I'm gonna give it another try. Here we go. Oh wow, that was amazing. So if you haven't tried it yet, at least try the wine. Again, it's from Texas Southwind Vineyard and Winery. It's somewhere over by Goliad and another town. I can't remember. It begins with an R, but it's over that way. It's really, really good. It's a sweet wine. It's a dessert wine, and it is absolutely fantabulous on top of the Breyers natural vanilla ice cream. Alright, y'all have a good night, and I'll see you again later. Bye.